Hey guys, welcome to SAP. Today's video are going to introduce the SAM Visor for JETOUR G700. It's made of injection molding process, so the quality is better than the vacuum forming. It's more durable and the appearance smoother. You can install it by yourself, just stick them on the car door. When you're driving on rainy days, you can open the window to ventilate. No longer need to worry about the rain will wet your passengers and the seats.